friends! It's me, Thomas! Today, we're heading to the sunny state of Florida, where we'll discover some of the amazing trees that thrive in this warm and tropical place. Florida has everything from sandy beaches to swamps and forests, and the trees here are just as diverse. We're going to meet 10 incredible trees today, each with its own special story. Let's go! The tree that loves the water. Our first stop is the Bald Cypress. This tree is one of the most iconic trees in Florida's wetlands. Bald cypress trees love to grow in swamps and along rivers, where their roots can often be seen sticking out of the water. These roots are called knees, and they help the tree stay stable in the soft, muddy ground. Bald cypress trees are known for their thick, spongy bark that protects them from insects and diseases. In the fall, their needles turn a beautiful reddish-brown color before they drop, leaving the tree bald for the winter. But don't worry, new needles grow back in the spring. The state tree of Florida. Next, we're meeting the Sao palm, also known as the cabbage palm. This tree is the state tree of Florida and is one of the most common trees you'll see here. Sao palms are easy to spot with their fan-shaped leaves and sturdy trunks. They can grow in a variety of soils, including sandy and salty areas near the coast. These palms are strong and flexible, making them able to withstand strong winds and storms. Their roots help prevent soil erosion, and their small black fruits provide food for birds and other animals. The tree that stays green all year. Now, let's check out the southern live oak. This tree is huge, with long branches that stretch out wide, providing lots of shade. Southern live oaks are special because they keep their leaves all year round, even in the winter. That's why they're called live oaks. These trees are known for their strength and beauty, with branches that can reach out over 80 feet from the trunk. Southern live oaks provide shelter and food for many animals, including birds, squirrels, and deer. The tree with fiery flowers. Next up is the Royal Poinciana. This tree is famous for its stunning red-orange flowers that bloom in the spring and summer. The Royal Poinciana is one of the most beautiful trees in Florida, often planted in gardens and along streets to add color to the landscape. These trees have wide branches that provide plenty of shade, and their feathery leaves help them capture sunlight. After the flowers fade, the tree produces long, flat seed pods that hang from the branches. The tree with glowing fall colors. Here's a tree that loves the water just as much as the bald cypress, the swamp tupelo. Swamp tupelo trees grow in the wetlands and swamps of Florida. In the fall, their leaves turn bright colors, ranging from yellow to deep red, making the swamp look like it's glowing. These trees have special roots called pneumatophores that rise above the water to help the tree breathe. Swamp tupelo trees also produce small dark blue fruits that are a favorite food for birds and other animals. The tree with a twist. Let's meet the Florida strangler fig, a tree that grows in a very unusual way. The strangler fig starts its life high up in the branches of another tree and slowly grows downward, wrapping around its host. Eventually, the strangler fig can overtake its host tree, creating a twisted, tangled structure. Despite its name, the strangler fig is important to the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for many animals, including birds and bats. The tree that protects the coast. Now, we're heading to the coast to meet the red mangrove. This tree grows right in the water, with roots that look like stilts holding it up. These roots help the red mangrove stay stable in the soft, muddy soil, and they also protect the shoreline from erosion caused by waves and tides. Red mangroves create a habitat for many marine creatures, like fish and crabs, and their leaves are thick and waxy to help them conserve water. These trees are vital for keeping Florida's coastlines healthy. A tree that thrives in fire. Next is the longleaf pine, a tree that's native to the southeastern United States, including Florida. Longleaf pines are known for their long needles and their ability to thrive in fire-prone environments. Fire actually helps these trees by clearing out other plants that compete for space, allowing the longleaf pine to grow tall and strong. Their cones produce seeds that are food for many animals, and their wood is used for building and making paper. The tree with big, beautiful flowers. Now, let's meet the southern magnolia, a tree known for its large, fragrant white flowers and glossy evergreen leaves. Southern magnolias bloom in the spring and summer, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Their thick leaves help them conserve water, and their strong branches provide shelter for many animals. Southern magnolias are a symbol of the South, and their flowers are truly a sight to see. A tree that stands the test of time. Finally, we're visiting the live oak, a tree that's famous for its strength and longevity. Live oaks have strong, sprawling branches that provide shade and shelter for a wide variety of animals. They are also incredibly resilient, able to withstand hurricanes and strong storms that often hit Florida. Their acorns provide food for wildlife, and their roots help stabilize the soil. Live oaks are a true testament to the enduring power of nature. We've met some incredible trees in Florida today. Each one is unique and plays an important role in the environment, from the water-loving bald cypress to the resilient live oak. These trees show us how diverse and wonderful nature can be. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. See you next time for more exciting explorations. Bye-bye, tree buddies!